Collating the monthly statistics. Once you've entered all the monthly statistics, you can then filter them to show the statistics for each individual team member. And we're going to use the filter function. So open the monthly statistics spreadsheet, and as you can see for the month of October, it hasn't been completed, so we'll go and see how it was done in September. So select the September tab and scroll down to the bottom, and you'll see that all the statistics have been broken down for each individual. So it's showing that Joanne has 27 bookings and 2 leads. At the bottom there will be a total, and this total should equal the same as the total on column I and J for the bookings and leads. Now we're going to use the filter function, which you can find up here on the main menu. So as you can see, if I turn that off, the drop down tags go, turn it on, and you can see that there will be drop down menus beside each column. So we want to sort by name, so we're going to click on the drop down menu on column A, and as you will see, it has all the names selected with a tick beside them on the left. Now we want to isolate it for each team member, so we're going to clear that selection and select the first name, which is Joanne, and click OK. And that will bring up all the statistics for Joanne. Now remember to use your scroll wheel so that you capture all the statistics for each person, or otherwise you may find that your totals don't agree at the end. So on the first item of the bookings, you click in that cell and drag your mouse down to highlight, and at the bottom it will show the total of how many bookings she has made, which is 27. And you can do the same with your leads. Click on the first item and drag down, and you can see that there is a total of 2 leads. So Joanne has done 27 bookings and 2 leads. Go back to the filter, and then we want to select all, press OK, return to, and that restores it to the original settings of the sheet. And then you would enter in the 27 bookings and the 2 leads. Then we go back up and select the drop down menu of the filter, and we want to clear and select the next person, who is Kim, and press OK, and it'll only bring up Kim's statistics. So use your scroll wheel to display all the calls, all the items. Click on the first item of the bookings, drag down your mouse so that you can get a total, 54 bookings. Do the same with your leads. Click on the first item, drag down so you can get a sum of 4. So she's got 54 bookings and 4 leads. Go back and select all, press OK. Return to the bottom of the spreadsheet, and you would enter in a 54 bookings and a 4 leads there. Then the next person would be Kirsty, so you select the drop down menu of the filter, clear, select Kirsty, press OK, use your scroll wheel so that drag it so that it brings all the bookings. So click on the first item, drag down so that you can get a sum total of 32 for the bookings. There's no leads, so we don't need to worry about that. Go back to the filter, select all, OK, scroll down to the bottom, and you put 32 bookings in for her and 0 leads. Go back to your drop down menu, clear, select Maria, OK. Use your scroll wheel to make sure you select all the items. Click on the first item, drag down, a total of 51 bookings. Click on there, scroll down, 14 leads. So go back to the filter, select all, OK, and that will restore the spreadsheet so that all the items are showing. So for Maria, there are 51 bookings and 14 leads, and that's how you collate all the monthly statistics for each individual. Make sure at the end that you have the same totals at the bottom here for your bookings and your leads as you do on column I and J, and then what you do is you go back to your drive, look for your booking statistics, bring up your booking statistics, And at the bottom here you will go down and you will put it in the template for the month of September, 189 bookings, which is the same as you've got in both column B at the bottom and the same as column I. And also too, what I like to do is add a wee comment which says that we also had 29 leads in RIA bookings, and that's how you collate your monthly bookings.